Je fais un gros set les amis. 12 répétitions, puis on réduit, puis 12 répétitions. Ça brûle, ça brûle, ça brûle.
Go. 12. Let's go.
Ridiculous.
3 more. 3. 2. All the way up. Good job. Two more. Good. Work. Go. Go. Get up. All the way up. All the way up. Come on, up. Good. Good job. Good job.
Allez Stan.
Oh my god. C'est ça qu'on appelle psycho. Salut, ça va? Ça va bien toi? Bien ouais. Écoute, voilà, donc je t'ai déjà vu un peu sur les réseaux tout ça. Savoir qu'est-ce que je fais ici? Je prépare pour une compétition dans 3 semaines et demie.
Allez Stan.
Mal aux fesses.
Vas-y.
Allez Fan. Parce qu'il découvre les méthodes psycho.
Now. 5 more.
Regardez le vieux.
What do you weigh in?
About 220.
Really good, even at that weight. I think you're a bigger guy. I think you're sacrificing some muscles.
Yeah.
I think. But I know you come in ultra sharp.
But I have to be
But-
210 for the weigh-in was there.
That's the part that sucks about this one now. That you have to limit
Yeah.
weight and stuff. Looking really good. You actually improve your physique. Calves, legs. Oh wow. Fantastic, fantastic. I mean, you know, this is what natural standing is all about. This is natural. That's pretty. That's ugly. That's pretty. Looks elegant. This is what we're trying to do. Making it pretty, big, quality, and beautiful. And performing art. It's an art. Even with that weight, you still look extremely impressive. Beautiful.
Like it's perfect.
Maybe
Perfect.
we should take that socks too. Makes it takes part of the flower. You know? Right?
Yeah.
True, yeah.
I had the whole painting looks good. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah. Awesome.
So what?
A lot thicker and really within striking distance, you know? Let's just see the detail. I mean, just a little hazy, but fantastic. You becoming more professional. Each time I see you, you're doing it more professional. And this is what separates the man from the boy. Seriously. Fantastic.
Yeah, that's very
Look
good.
at that. You know what? Major improvement. You are really building it in the right places. I see better arms, your shoulder looking a lot better, and you keeping that midsection clean. And this is what's going to really help you a lot. Because the package. The reason I won Miss Olympia is I had the package. And then, you know, the package is so important in displaying it, showing the body. Very artistic, classy, which that's what you're doing. Very, very proud of you.
Thank you very
Being
much.
honest.
Yeah, thank you.
You know me, I don't give compliments when people don't deserve it. You deserve it.
So what?
Let's see like some of your transition that show you looking massive and pretty at the same time. I've used the terminology of being pretty. The term pretty, pretty muscle. You know, you gotta keep it beautiful. It doesn't matter whether you're 290 or 200. The bottom line is looking at beautiful body. People admiring beautiful body. Even the way you show it in perform an artistic way. Just do like double bind and then, you know, do like 3/4 and stuff. Let's see. Fantastic. Really beautiful. Beautiful. The way you're twisting it, you're making it rhyme. Very good. Let's go to a back pose. From here to a back. Let's say you're here. Let's do it. You hit a back shot. See how? Yeah. But when you do the back pose, you're going to keep your side like that. So you keep the waist small. Now do it. And lift up. And now you see you're keeping it beautiful. And then take your left arm slightly to the back. Yes, yes. So the judges are standing here and your waist remains small. And we can see a lot back. Always flex your rear delts when you're doing this. Awesome. Really good. Now go to a side chest from here. Let's see what happens. Nice. The way they do side chest these days, it's really not good. You're doing it right.
So is he looking good at 3 weeks of the competition?
Oh, he looks fantastic. And I really think he's like within 2 weeks if you want. Because his skin, you know, he's just minor. I'm not here to talk about conditioning, but his conditioning is designed with that striking distance. I really think like 2-3 weeks is perfect. But what's really important is his body is beautiful. He's maintaining that beautiful look. And this is what we want, the physique and display it was an art. And you know, when we talk about Stan, you look at the shoulder to waist ratio. He's got a very good feet. And honestly, there's no obvious weakness. There's no obvious weakness. No obvious. I mean, you look at the whole picture, you appreciate it.
Are the movements important? Do they mean something?
Very important. Very
Show
important.
me the movement.
Like for example, when we do from
Can
the
you tell
side.
him to do something and show us what
For
it means?
example, let's do, you know, you're doing mandatory side. Let's see how you stand from the side. Here's another good example of what the judge want to see. Okay, look at that. Stand, shoulders, chest looks fantastic. But in my opinion, I would show part of the tricep. The whole as a, don't laugh at my tricep, but you have to show the side of the tricep. Okay? Not just the chest, because the tricep in the tiny
Alors,
little
pour
section
ceux qui ne savent pas,
and
Samir Banout a été Mister Olympia en 83.
just look at it, around the legs,
C'est une certaine,
health separation,
une légende.
and the tricep. Stan have all these, and you look at it from top to bottom, he's pretty. And that's why Stanley and I connected. To be quite honest, I'm not just saying it because he's in front of me, but he's smart. It's obvious because he knows that in order to be the best, you have to go up there and show big, beautiful muscle, not an awkward looking muscle. Really, and even the way he works.
What about the routine, the movements, the fluidity?
Well, you know, you have to be able to show the body from all angles. I mean, this is a pose. Anything, this is a pose. But the way you do it, it has to be done gracefully and create line with each move. Any move you do, it's gotta be with line, even the facial expression. You know what I mean?
Story.
Even this. Now you have people, we have girls nowadays, unfortunately, they go like this. What does that represent? Nothing. It represents ugly grip. There's no such a thing as this grip. Now girls, we see girls going up like that. What is that? It just doesn't exist.
How are you supposed to do it?
The eagle grabbed the fish like that. That's how the eagle grabbed the fish from the water. Have you ever seen an eagle going like this to grab a fish? He won't be able to grab it. It'd be like an eagle with arthritis. You see? So anything we do is natural in performing art, even the facial expression. If you holding a hammer in your hand, you want to knock the wall. But you see, this is an art form. It's going to hit the wall, but you see, you're creating line. You're pulling the boat, right? So those moves come from natural movement. And you do it, you apply it on your body. And really, Stan, when you look at him, he's a combination. Really beautiful physique. Why? Speaking about myself, back in '83, I won the Miss Olympia at 196 pounds. And I beat guys who were like 245, 255. Why? Because the package put together right. So Stan's combination is shoulder to waist, small hip ratio, and the balance between outer, inner, diamond head, calf, small ankle, he flows very good.
Does he have the potential to win?
In my opinion, huge potential. Huge potential. But in the sport of bodybuilding, it's the degree of quality. Listen, I dropped down. What I know is popular. But I'll be there. I'll be there. How many weeks do we have? 4?
25
Oh, yeah.
Not more like this. Yes. Very gentle.
Yeah. Without a doubt, you're going to be right on you want? What weight class we're gonna make? Right there. You see how when you're full, let's say right now, we control that fullness and control subcutaneous fluid out. We get subcutaneous fluid. We're gonna be right at 214 now. Be like 3,000. For sure. And this is the issue here. We have to maintain maximum fluid.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Get the back thing.
Sorry, I'm coming.
Oh yeah. Perfect. Size good.
Okay. T'es pas en train de le faire, mais...
We'll show the shorts too.
Oh yeah, nice. Thank you. Really nice. Yeah.
Vous pensez que ça va plaire à votre audience, à vos followers?
Ouais, je pense. Franchement, je pense que c'est une bonne réussite. J'aime bien. En tout cas, moi, je suis très content du résultat. Donc, ouais, je pense que ça va plaire.
C'est le t-shirt que vous porterez pendant la compétition?
Bah oui, je vais essayer de le porter en tout cas le jour avant pour le checking avec les athlètes et la presse-conférence. Ouais.
C'est important cette compétition pour vous?
Bah, c'est la compétition qui me permet de... c'est une grosse compétition qui est très médiatisée dans le milieu. C'est une des plus grosses compétitions actuelles et en plus ça me permet justement d'accéder à ce fameux Mister Olympia si je gagne, et donc c'est vraiment le but ultime d'être parmi les meilleurs à l'Olympia pour être validation du niveau et faire partie des meilleurs du monde, voilà.
Et pour votre comment tu dis communauté, c'est ça? Pour votre communauté, ce t-shirt c'est une manière de vous soutenir. Est-ce qu'il y a beaucoup de gens qui vont vous soutenir pendant cette compétition?
Oui, absolument. Alors à chaque fois, justement, j'ai beaucoup de gens qui me suivent et qui m'encouragent. Ils sont extrêmement présents sur les réseaux sociaux. Et la page du promoteur, en général, ils font souvent un live de la compétition. Et c'est souvent moi qui ai le plus de gens qui font du bruit pour moi, qui me soutiennent, en tout cas à distance. Donc ça fait toujours très très plaisir. Ouais.
Ça met de la pression aussi?
Bah, c'est sûr que les juges, ils ont intérêt à me regarder et me juger correctement, du coup. Ça met la pression de leur côté. Moi, c'est que du soutien.
À une ou deux semaines, là, vous êtes quoi? C'est de l'impatience, c'est de l'excitation, c'est un peu de peur? Vous êtes comment? Non,
c'est juste... je sais que je suis exactement où je dois être et juste à continuer à faire ce que je dois faire et voilà. Y a pas de... J'ai l'habitude un peu de ça, de ces compétitions. Celle-ci, elle est particulière pour moi, mais je pense que je suis là où il faut aujourd'hui, donc pas de stress, juste apprécier chaque moment, parce que voilà, une fois que c'est passé, c'est passé. Donc j'essaie d'apprécier chaque jour qui amène à la compétition. Chaque jour apporte une expérience et un souvenir aussi.
Ok, parfait.
Voilà, retour à la maison, après être passé à Merschla, etc. Faire un nouveau t-shirt. Fini le tournage avec M6 jusqu'à ce qu'ils reviennent le 17 novembre, juste avant la compétition. Donc c'était cool, c'était vraiment top, une super expérience. Juste un peu fatigant. Bouger à droite à gauche toute la journée à quelques semaines à la compétition. C'est pas évident, mais c'était cool. Ça valait vraiment la peine. Enfin, en tout cas, on verra au final. Mais je pense que ça va être un petit reportage sympa. Surtout que y a la compétition au final. J'espère que ça se finira très bien et que ce sera une super histoire du coup. Pour l'instant, je me mange un petit pancake. Après, je vais m'allonger un petit moment avant de faire mon cardio et de manger mon dernier repas et de vous retrouver demain. Voilà la suite du programme pour la journée. Bref, voilà. Allez, bon appétit pour ceux qui mangent et à tout à l'heure.